Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be using the technique that we learned in the cupcakes and rosette technique video. We're going to take that rosette technique and we're going to apply it onto a cake. It's a 3-layer 6-inch chocolate cake. We just have buttercream in the middle, regular vanilla flavored buttercream. I've already iced it, already dyed my buttercream. We're going to do an ombre rosette covering the sides of the cake and most likely the top as well. It's going to start with a dark purple on the bottom and get lighter as we go up top. Now the way you want to do this is you want to start at the bottom and just do that swirl technique. Do the bottom row, then the middle, then the top, and the very top of the cake. So we're going to get started. Okay, so I have my bag with my darkest purple all ready to go. We are using the 1M tip. We're going to start near the bottom and we're just going to go around in our circle as we did on our cupcakes. Move to the side, do it again. Okay, so I tried to keep it as even as possible as far as the height goes, and now we're going to go and do our medium purple. Now I noticed that I had some little holes, so I'm just kind of filling in with a little star. If you want to make it look a little bit more purposeful, you just kind of put them in between all of them. And then if you want to do the top, I can show you a little bit on what that would look like. You could even do your little stars. I'm just squeezing and letting go. Okay, now here if you needed to stop, if you had something you needed to pipe in the middle, you could do that. I've seen where people put sprinkles. If you were doing a tiered cake, you would put your next tier on top, cover it, put your topper, whatever you need to do. I actually ran out of the light, so we're gonna go ahead and make it get darker again. Okay, so that's actually how easy it is to make a rosette cake. If you have 3 tips, it'll go even faster. I only was using 1, so as soon as I finished one, took it out, washed it, dried it, filled up the next bag, and it still didn't even really take me very long. Now, it's super easy if you're doing in a tiered cake. It looks great as one of the tiers all in one color. I've done smash cakes before where they tell me what colors they want to have in it, and I just do random rosettes. I could show you pictures of those as well. The ombre is really easy. It looks really impressive. It's super cute with a little topper or a candle. It's just an adorable, really easy cake to make. If you have any questions about it or any other videos that you've watched, I'd be happy to answer them. Just go ahead and comment. I'll get right back to you. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I can't wait to try out some more cakes with you.